Hi everyone, my name is William and I'm one of the founders of Sweep. Sweep is an AI-powered unit developer. Today we're going to show you how we can use Sweep to write unit tests. So for example, we have this file. We use NetworkX, a popular Python graph library, along with the AST to extract all of the dependencies between files. For example, we'll extract the imports, the class definitions, the function definitions, and the calls. And then we'll build a graph and allow an LLM to traverse this graph. Here we ask Sweep to write unit tests for graph.py. As you can see, a lot's going on here, so we're going to break it down. So first, Sweep searches through your codebase and finds the original file, graph.py. Of course, there are no unit tests yet, so Sweep hasn't had the chance to look at those. But if there were, Sweep would find them. So Sweep creates utils and includes unit tests and checks all of the methods. Most other AI tools would stop here. However, at Sweep, we actually run your code. So as you see here, this is the first test, and it looks pretty good. If you were to review this code, you might say, okay, these look fine, let's merge it. But what you would find is that there was actually an undefined variable. So NX, which stands for NetworkX, was not defined here. So here, NX is used, but not defined. Sweep will actually go and define this variable. It ran the sandbox, it found that the variable was not defined, and it fixed it. Let's see what happened after that. Then Sweep actually ran the test. Finally, it was able to pass the linter, pylint, and run the test. Here we have an error. None type has no attribute copy, and we have some assertion error with incorrect outputs in the tests. Sweep also fixed that. It defined dummy graphs for the graph object, as well as fixed the inputs. So symbol should be defined in file, rather than file defined in symbol. So in this case, if we have the relation should go class defined in the file, rather than file defined in class, which wouldn't make sense. Then we ran the code again, and we encountered some other issues, and Sweep ran through all of these and finally fixed all of them, and then ran the linter on it. So as you can see, this code ends up being fairly clean and written in the same style that you prefer, using the formatter. Then Sweep actually went back to the original graph.py and found a bug. So in this case, sometimes this method would return an empty string as the last element. So Sweep removed that and fixed the bug to make it work better. And as you can see, we go through this, and Sweep passed all of the tests. And Sweep also caught a bug in the original file and fixed it. And we can see the main file being read. At the end, we get this 135 lines of changes and a PR that fixes both a bug in the graph.py file, as well as generating nice tests. Nice work, Sweep.